Today we are en route to Team Z Motorsports to pick up some really cool parts for the channel here and the Coupe SSP build.
Racetrack dog.
Racetrack dog. Come on. He's gone. So if you're curious about what we got coming to the channel, stick around. Let's get into the video. We got a long trip ahead of us. So we are en route to Team Z Motorsports, located in Taylor, Michigan, where we will be picking up a truckload of parts needed for our 1990 Ford Mustang Coupe SSP build here on the channel. In order for me to do what I want to do with this car this year, I got to get these supporting mods that I've always talked about on the channel in live streams, and Team Z has everything that I needed to do that. We have made it to Taylor, Michigan. Heading over here to have to do a U-turn to get on the North Line Road or whatever, but can't wait to get there and pick up the order. Got a long trip back home, but it only makes sense. I had to come up here and grab the order because it was so much money to ship, the big stuff, and you'll see here in a minute. All right, guys, so we just loaded up here at Team Z. This is Zig from Team Z. I appreciate you giving me a walk around the shop. I showed you guys some of the pictures that we had going on the channel. I got a whole truckload of goodies here. Had a great time here. We got some real deal stuff going on here, folks. I mean, this stuff is premium Foxbody parts. You guys all know who Team Z is. We're gonna be doing quite a bit of install though. We got a cage, we got a tubular front end, we got a flaming river rack. What about editing, right? So we got some K members. We got a lot of parts here to go through in another video when we get home. So we're gonna shoot over to McBride Racing, who are the folks that are gonna be helping us in it. We're gonna shoot over to McBride Racing. I can't do it right, dude. Anyways, we're gonna shoot over to McBride Racing on our way home, and we're gonna meet up with Steve and Steve Jr. and we're gonna make a plan on getting a lot of these parts on video for you guys to see. So stay tuned. We're gonna make another trip back to Ohio. I appreciate it once again, Zig, Team Z. Sorry I couldn't really do a whole lot of footage in there. There's some things going on that you guys just have to stick around and find out. We're on our way home. Got about a 3.5 hour, 4 hour trip home. We're supposed to meet up with, like I said, we're gonna make a pit stop real quick at McBride Racing. It's a really nice day to come up here to Michigan to check out Team Z Motorsports. I super appreciate everything that they've done for me here. Grab some merch on the way out so I can represent their brand and some stickers and such. So I'm really humbled by that. What a great experience that was. That's built by racers for racers for sure. No doubt in my mind. So since the coupe has been painted and it's pretty much finished, we got to stop over here to McBride Racing real quick and get a good time frame on how soon we can get these parts in the coupe. If there's any parts, I don't think. Knock, knock.
What's up?
Oh, there's a killer dog. What's happening, brother?
Oh, just getting this one ready, so
What are you doing?
get it.
Is you mad at me? Whoop. Are you a good Popeyes? Be good Popeyes? Yeah, come here. I know hurt you. You got invisible fence on. Yeah, come on. Good boy. Come here. Come on.
What's up?
No, man. Well, this is nice. What's he got going on here? So you guys know Steve McBride Sr.?
Ohio Technical College. I run the high performance and racing division.
So this is it.
Got some goodies.
Yeah, it's got the K member,
The rack
and it's got the knuckle and everything in it.
Sweet.
Full cage
and a roll bar.
and a roll bar. God, this is all
Upper,
the,
lowers.
yeah.
Beautiful.
Control arms, all sphericals. I bought the strange manual brake conversion. This is the front too.
Tack it. Make sure the fenders end up where everybody needs to end up. You know, even though it's a fairly straightforward, you always want to make sure that everybody ends up where it's supposed to be, because every car is different.
That's right.
Every car is different.
Now this is a bolt-in. This
that's
is the
the
top
upper
rail.
radiator.
Yeah. So that's springs. I just bought springs just to have them. Teams, he hooked it up, man.
Nice.
So what kind of time frame are we looking at getting the coupe in here? I pick it up tomorrow.
Probably, again, let me check with Steve. As far as I know, we don't have anything pressing, because that green car's going away Saturday. I would probably say that tentatively, unless Steve's got something that I don't know, we can probably do it towards the end of the week, maybe on the weekend.
How much time are we looking at? Now I'm not talking about for money, just for kind of trying to maybe get some film.
The cage, you're probably, we can get it all mocked up, get it tacked. If you want to come, do a little bit of that while we do some of that stuff.
Yeah, that's cool.
And set it up, figure out where we got to put the holes in the floor.
For the subframe.
So that way, then we can drop it. Probably a week or two on that, depending on how smooth it goes.
Square it up.
Tubulars, measure everything up, square it up, clean it up. That's the weld together kit.
Yes.
Okay, so we will need the fenders.
Okay.
Racetrack dog.
Racetrack dog. Bye-bye, Hot Rod. We're going Popeyes. Give me. Come here.
All right.
Good boy. He's gone.
He says, I want to play, man.
I know. He said he wants to go for a ride. I appreciate you, Steve.
No problem,
I'll see you soon.
Yep.
All right.
Come on, Bob.
So we pulled back in because Joe and little Steve got here. Got a little Hot Rod here. Don't run me over.
Hot Rod, get out of the way.
You're going to be famous, brother. You're going to be famous. You're going to be the track dog. He gone. Oh, yeah, this is dope. You got to pop that hood again. This looks really cool, man. All right, I'm sitting here with Joe over here at McBride Racing, and this guy is just set up. Him and Stevie have worked on this car. I was just actually leaving the driveway when they were coming in, and figured we would pop in and check out the car. He's done a lot of work. I'm proud of you, man. You did a lot of work. It looks really good.
Thank you. A lot of work went into it.
This is intimidating. It looks really good. Big old 88. What is this, a 408?
It's actually a S480.
S480?
Turbo,
Yeah.
And it's a 410 Windsor.
Same as mine.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. T56 mag, 266. What's your gear ratio?
410 right now, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I think I'm gonna be trapping out in fourth. So.
Yeah. This is gonna be one hell of a ride, brother.
Mm-hmm.
Can't wait to see it. When are you gonna shake it down?
Hopefully in 2 weeks.
We're gonna get a full video on it, so this is just a kind of a precursor.
Right?
right, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you for this video. I just want to say a special thank you to Dave, Sherry, Zig, and Frank over at Team Z Motorsports for taking a chance with us and sponsoring the coupe build we have on the channel and doing everything that they've done for us thus far for that build. So thank you guys so much for what you've done. Premium Foxbody parts, essential for race car building, essential for Foxbody Mustangs. You guys already know. So make sure you guys stick around as we are about to take the coupe over to McBride Racing as we had spoke in the video. We got it loaded, ready to go, ready to get some of those mods installed. So if you guys enjoyed this sort of content, leave me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Check out that join button below for the channel membership, as the channel members get exclusive content to the channel that you normally don't see. So thank you guys all for watching. We will see you soon in the next videos.